produces around 10,000 nuts. Its memory is so phenomenal, it can retrieve up to 4,000 of them. To achieve this feat, as winter approaches, the area of the
In the dead of night, a brown kiwi leaves his burrow for the pitch dark of the primeval New Zealand forest. A kiwi is a most distinctive and peculiar type of bird. He's about the size and weight of a stout chicken, but he's more closely related to an ostrich. To help them locate underground prey in the soil, kiwis are the only birds in the world to have nostrils at the tip of their bills. It's more like a snout, perfect for rooting around for grubs. But right now, the kiwis here have something else on their minds. A female sings an alluring serenade. Love is in the air. These birds are part of a habituated group, which means we can film intimate details of their private behavior. Brown kiwis often mate for life, and females are very fussy.